Welcome to this video in which we are going to see that how can we turn off the Internet Explorer or how can we uninstall Internet Explorer from our Windows PC. So Internet Explorer was a web browser that is not very widely used nowadays. Still, if we just go to our Windows systems and type in internet, along with other browsers like Microsoft Edge, this Internet Explorer web browser also comes here. So how can you uninstall it? So the first step is or one of the steps is you can just right click over here and simply click on uninstall. So this would actually give you this kind of a option, the settings option, from where you can just simply go here and uninstall this. So this is one way of uninstalling the program. But if you are not able to get this uninstall option in some of the Windows PCs, you might not get this uninstall option to uninstall the Internet Explorer. Then how are you going to do it? That's what we are going to discuss. So for this, what you need to do is just go to the search bar and type in control panel. Your control panel opens up. Then if your icons are looking a bit like this, then what you need to do, just go to this place, the top right corner where it says view by, and instead of the large icons or small icons, if it is visible in your case, just select category. So as soon as you select category, it will show you something like this. This is what we are working with. This is what we want. Okay, so doesn't matter if it says large icons and your icons are visible like this, or if it says small icons and your icons are visible like this in the control panel. You need to change it to the category. Once you do that, in the programs section you will get this option, uninstall a program. So you can simply click on this. Now one mistake that most of the people do is that they just try to search Internet Explorer from here. So if I just type so Internet Explorer is not present over here. So you must be wondering, if the Internet Explorer is not present here, then how do I install it? So that is a very valid question, and the answer for this is you do not need to uninstall Internet Explorer because it is not an external app. If you take a look at all these apps that are actually getting shown over here, these are the external apps like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Git, Dell Touchpad, MongoDB, Visual C++, Pinnacle, Sublime Text, Shortcut, YouTube, WhatsApp, VLC Media Player. These are all the external apps that we have installed as per our requirements. So only the external apps are shown over here. The inbuilt apps or the functions that Windows actually provides us are not shown over here. So in case you want to uninstall any of the Windows program, or if you want to just turn off any of the Windows features, then how do you do that? So for that, what you need to do is you need to go to this option that says turn Windows features on or off. So let's just click on that. So after a few seconds of loading, this kind of a dialog box appears, and if you take a look at this, it says turn Windows features on or off. To turn a feature on, select its checkbox. To turn a feature off, clear its checkbox. A filled box means that only part of the feature is turned on. So here, if you see, these are a bunch of folders that are given to you. In this case, Internet Explorer 11 is checked. And what does the checked means? To turn a feature on, select its checkbox. It is selected. That means this feature is actually available. Internet Explorer 11 is actually available. So in order to turn off this feature, what you need to do is simply just click on this once. Then you will get a warning from Windows Features that turning off Internet Explorer 11 might affect other Windows features and programs installed on your computer, including the default settings. Do you want to continue? So this is just a warning given to us by the Windows, just to warn us of the actions that we are about to take. But we know that installing or turning off Internet Explorer is not going to cause any problems for us. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on yes. So now what happens? Internet Explorer 11, a default Windows feature, has been turned off. Now if we talk about other features over here, then you see some of these checkboxes are actually filled with a box. So if you just expand this particular folder, which shows a plus icon, if you expand it, then you will see that there are two folders inside it and only one of them is selected. And if you further expand this folder, so in this folder also there are multiple folders, out of which only one is selected. So if you partially install some of the features of the folder, then that parent folder is shown with a filled box instead of a tick mark. In this kind of a folder, there are no additional items, so this whole folder is installed, it's turned on. That's why the checkbox is shown over here. Similarly, in the media features also, you can see the whole checkbox. In the print and other document service, you can again see a filled box. So that's how you turn on or off the Windows features. And once you have done that, you can click on OK simply, so that these features are actually applied. Then once this all is done, you need to restart your computer. As you can see, Windows need to reboot your PC to install the requested changes. So you can restart it, and then you will see that your Internet Explorer has been uninstalled. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.